Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss 5 topics. First is how to create a page template and simple page. Second is how to import products using CSV files. Third is how to apply a product filter. Fourth is how to create collections. Fifth is how to create a menu and mega menu. First one, how to create a page template and a simple page. Go to customization, then select pages and click to create template. Select the default page and enter the page template name. Go to online store and select the pages, then click to add page button. Select your template page and enter your page title. Your page is created successfully using a template page. Go to products. There is 3 ways to add products. First, add one by one. Second is find products and then add. Third is import products using CSV files. I will import products using a CSV file. Select your CSV file and click to upload and continue. Here is a preview of the product. You can see 55 products in this CSV file and more information about products. This could take some time to complete. If you'd like, you can close this dialog box and continue working. Now I will increase the video play speed. The product has been successfully imported. I will open the one product and you can see how it adds. Here is the product title, description, product status, product type, vendor, collection, and tags. Tags are used for filtering products. And also product variants. Here are 2 products variants. Now I will add filters. Go to online store and select navigation. Click to add the filter button. Select the option of filter to show. Now you can see the all filters are here. Now I will create a collections. Remove old collections. Enter a collection name. There are two types of product collections. First is manual and second one is automated. I will create a collection using an automated option and based on product type. You can add collection image and descriptions. All jacket products are here. I will add another collection like this. Now I will create a new collection using the manual option. Select the product you want to add. Now I will create a menu and mega menu. Enter menu name and select menu link. A simple menu has been created. Now you just drag under the other menu option, and the mega menu is created, like WordPress. Your Shopify Basic Part 2 is over. But the big news for everyone is I will convert e-commerce HTML into the Shopify theme. In this series, I will show the basics to advance. The e-commerce HTML template is here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon so never miss any new updates.